This wired EmpireTech IPC-Color4K-T180 camera delivers a stitched 180-degree panoramic view, making it ideal for monitoring wide driveways, yards, or storefronts without blind spots. Dual 4-megapixel sensors combine into a detailed 4K full-color image, so faces, license plates, and small details remain clear even in challenging lighting. The relatively large over 1.8-inch CMOS sensors and integrated warm illumination help the camera maintain vivid color at night instead of switching to grainy black and white. With Power over Ethernet support, a single network cable can handle both data and power, simplifying installation on exterior walls, eaves, or poles. Built-in microphone, speaker, and two-way talk let you hear what is happening and speak back through the camera, which is useful for deterring intruders or guiding deliveries. Onboard micro-secure digital card storage support and alarm and audio connections give you flexible options for local recording and integration into a broader security system.